Hi friends, Jen the Money Medium here. How are you today? Today we're going to be looking at something that's really interesting to look at, and that's being able to let go of or reprogram outdated beliefs about yourself. So we all hold deep beliefs about ourselves and about others. But when was the last time you really tuned in and listened to what those beliefs are that you hold about yourself at a deep layer, and then at deeper layers, and then at deeper layers? You know, do you believe that you're strong? Do you believe that your physical body is healthy? Do you believe that you're doing your best? Do you believe that you're lazy? What are the patterns of thought? Do you believe that you're a good person? Do you believe that you're bringing your best foot forward? Do you believe that you're making a difference in the world? Or do you believe that, maybe a grade 2 teacher told you you were never going to excel in math, and maybe that became a programmed deep belief about yourself, that you're no good with numbers? I hear that from people all the time, that you're no good with money. Do you believe that it's possible for you to have sustainability and wealth and happiness and health in your life? Or do you believe that that's for other people and not you? So when you take the time to dive in and find out what some of those deep beliefs are that you hold about yourself, what you'll notice is those are the exact places that you tend to judge other people. So if there's something that you don't especially love about your body, notice that it's probably the first thing that you judge about other people. That's what it's meant when people say, we're mirroring each other. Other people will always mirror how we deeply feel about ourselves. So that can be another place where you discover more about yourself and your deeper beliefs about yourself. If you believe that somebody else is bad with money, it's probably a place you probably feel like you're bad with money. If you feel like nobody out there is on your side, or nobody out there loves you or is kind to you, it's probably showing you, if you allow it, where you're not very kind out there in the world, where you're not loving as much as you could. So I'd spend some time, especially, it's a new year, find out what some of those deep belief systems are that you house about yourself, that are deeper than a conscious level. You want to go much deeper than looking in the mirror at yourself, although that can be helpful in finding out how you feel about your physical body and what you might be saying to yourself at deeper levels about that. There's really deeper places than the physical body to look in what you think or have been programmed, or your beliefs about yourself, about what you're good at and not good at. And question, is that really true? Because you can become as good as you want at anything that you want. So what I find with a lot of my clients is that at some point in their schooling, whether it was in college, university, or in grade school, a teacher or many teachers said something to that person that lowered their confidence, or that stole their dream, or that made them believe that they would not be really good if they moved in that direction, when in fact they are very good at that. They are very natural at it, and they've let one or two people ruin it for them by one or two things that have been said to them. So see where that's true for you. You know, maybe your parent said something to you that lowered your confidence in a certain area or kept you from moving toward your dream. And once you discover that, then you can start bringing that dream back to life. You can really start growing it because you say so, because you say, I'm good at this. This is what I want to do. This is where I want to go. This is who I want to help. This is where I feel most alive. That there is no better person but you to say where you're going in life. So allow everybody else's beliefs and thoughts to disappear. See what's left. See what you still believe about yourself in there. And then you can start directing and changing those belief systems, those thought patterns, the programming, your frequency, your vibration, what you carry into the world and the directions that you start to go are all based on what your deep belief systems are saying about you. I hope you've enjoyed this little episode on, letting go of the belief systems about yourself that aren't serving where you want to go. And know that you can change those belief systems. You can reprogram those belief systems. All of our beliefs came from somewhere. So if you know that you're housing belief systems that don't serve where you're wanting to go, you're the one in charge of being able to change that. Lots of love. I'm Jen the Money Medium. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon.